Good morning, people. It is here. First mod to our Jeep. Alright guys, so here's the Jeep here. We're gonna be installing this AFE exhaust. It's a catback exhaust. And is move my car out of the way. We're gonna let this car warm up. And we're gonna get a little sound comparison on the Jeep. Alright, here's the Jeep. We got the neon parked on the side of the street. Don't like doing that, but it's not for long. Alright, let's get another exhaust sound from the Jeep. Alright, so that's all the Jeep sound. With stock. Everything's stock exhaust right there. It's not modified. Alright, here we are. The box is here. It's the same height as the Jeep. I mean, it's pretty big box. Doesn't look like it, but the neon over there is like, where's my attention? You've already got yours. It's time for the Jeep. Tips we're gonna be using the same ones. Alright, now let's do an unboxing on the exhaust while the exhaust cools off for a little bit. Even though we didn't have it on for that long. AFE, baby. Let's do this. Alright, this is really hard. I'm gonna put the camera down and pick it up when I'm over there inside the garage. Alright. Alright, so here's the layout. It's the X pipe and the two mufflers. I like the little detail right here. It's the AFE power. Same do on the other side. Pretty badass. It's funny, guys. You know you have a good wife when she tells you to buy the exhaust. It's funny. It looks badass, honestly. It's good. I'm just gonna get some Instagram pictures or story pictures and put them on my story, and then I'm gonna get working on this beast. Let's see what we have under here. Jesus Christ, that's a... Alright, so I kind of forgot that I had a Jeep here, and raising it didn't really do much. I mean, it did. Obviously, I can fit in there now a little bit better, but I got one jack right there and another one over there. That's not holding, but it's there and it's twisted, so I'm pretty sure these jacks are not gonna fucking collapse on me, but it's just there for extra support. Probably it's not even doing anything, it's just there. So yeah, I'm a small guy, so I can fit in here real easy. If the Jeep falls on me, then yeah, Happy New Year's to all of you and Merry Christmas. But yeah, this is gonna be fun. Ow. Careful there, honey. Careful there. Alright guys, so we got these two bolts off. We got the opposite ones off. We got both the hangers. I don't know if you can see that, but... So now all that's left and what's holding this exhaust is the hangers back there. And then they're off. And then I will start putting on the new ones. So just wanted to give you guys an update, and honestly, this is probably the easiest exhaust on a car ever. I don't know if you guys experienced an exhaust install on an easier car, but there's 4 of these, there's 4 of those. They're all the same size. They're all I think they're 13 mil. Alright, she's out. It's one whole piece, so it was a bitch to get her off on this point here, but I'm gonna cut these tips off and then put them on here. Alright, so I took off the factory tip and it's on now. I used manchas to clean it off a little bit. It's an exhaust tip, so what do you expect? It's not gonna be clean. So yeah, the tips are off on the stock one. They're actually welded right there. It was welded right there, so you just use the grinder to cut it off. Both sides, they're welded. And you just take it off, use the clamp they gave you. It's not on right. Not yet. I'm not tightening them until I can see how it looks, and then I'll tighten the tips last. But I'm gonna put these on the hangers. That one on the hanger, and we're gonna see right now. Scratch that. I'm actually gonna put the X pipe first, and then put the muffler. I don't know what I was thinking. Alright guys, that 13 is rolling out of here. Anyways, X pipe is on. We just need the 2 mufflers back there. Let's get to this. Alright guys, so I'm done with the exhaust. Now it's time to start it. Oh my god. I'm actually kind of nervous. I don't know why. Hopefully it came out good. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Consider subscribing. We're gonna go. Actually, you know what? We're not done yet.